If you're going to run wheel spacers on your Wilwood 6-piston brakes, you probably need longer studs, and I'm going to show you how to change those out. Now there's two 7/16 nuts on these calipers, and make sure you don't lose the washer that's behind them. Next, we need to take off these retainers for the caliper, and these are just a number 4 Allen. Now your caliper should come off. Now these studs are going to be too long to come off without pulling this spindle, so the spindle is going to have to come off as well. And we'll do that by taking the end cap off and the cotter pin and retainer for the nut. Now this nut is a 1 1/8 inch, and once you break it free, you should be able to take it off by hand. Now there's going to be a slotted washer in here and a spacer that needs to come out. From there you can slide the hub off, being careful not to lose your bearing. Now pay attention to the hole pattern. On these Fords, I'm going to use the inner holes, but the Wilwood hubs are set up so you can run 2 different bolt patterns. And the studs themselves are a 12-point 1/2 inch socket. They should come right out. Now the replacements that I'm using are ARPs. These are very strong, and we're just going to reverse the steps now. And from there you simply just reinstall it opposite of how you took it apart. And that's it. Longer wheel studs.